Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look into the future, specifically at the year 2026, to explore some of the most ambitious and transformative projects underway in China. Forget the rumors and speculation. We're focusing on officially announced, government-backed developments that are set to reshape not just China, but potentially the world. So, buckle up as we dive into the mega projects of tomorrow. Let's start with something that truly connects the country. Infrastructure. China's high-speed rail network is already the largest in the world, but it's not stopping there. By 2026, we'll see significant progress on several new lines onto the 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed rail grid plan. A key project is the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, arguably one of the most challenging engineering feats ever attempted. This railway will climb through the Tibetan Plateau, with over 80% of it consisting of bridges and tunnels, navigating extreme altitudes and complex geological conditions. Led by the China State Railway Group, this project, with an investment exceeding 300 billion yuan, will slash travel time between Chengdu and Lhasa from 48 hours to just 13, boosting economic development and connectivity in the western regions. Beyond rail, China is also expanding its digital Silk Road through massive investments in data infrastructure. The Eastern Data, Western Computing Project is a prime example. Imagine moving massive amounts of data generated in the economically vibrant eastern provinces to be processed and stored in the western regions, where land and renewable energy are more abundant. By 2026, major national computing hubs in provinces like Guizhou, Gansu, and Ningxia will be fully operational. Companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and Huawei are investing billions to build massive data centers here. This isn't just about storage. It's a strategic move to balance regional development, optimize energy consumption, and create a powerful, unified national computing network. The total investment is estimated to be in the trillions of yuan over the next decade, making it a cornerstone of China's digital economy. Now, let's shift our gaze from the ground to the heavens. China's space program is accelerating at an incredible pace. While the Tiangong space station is already a remarkable achievement, the next phase is even more ambitious. By 2026, we'll see major preparations for the International Lunar Research Station, a long-term project co-led by the China National Space Administration (CN). This involves a series of missions, including Change 7, planned for around 2026, which will perform a detailed survey of the lunar South Pole, searching for water, ice, and other resources. This isn't just about planting a flag. It's about establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon. These missions are critical stepping stones, paving the way for crewed lunar landings projected for the early 2030s back on Earth. The drive for green energy is fueling some truly gigantic projects. China is the world's leader in renewable energy capacity, and it's doubling down. By 2026, we will see the completion of massive renewable energy bases in the country's vast western deserts. Take the Kabuki Desert project in Inner Mongolia, for instance. This project combines solar and wind power generation on a scale that's hard to comprehend, with a planned capacity of over 16 gigawatts, enough to power millions of homes. Led by state-owned giants like the China Three Gorges Corporation, these projects are part of China's commitment to reach peak carbon emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. The investment in these desert power bases alone runs into the hundreds of billions of yuan. In the realm of technology, artificial intelligence is at the heart of China's strategy. The New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan aims to make China a global leader in AI by 2030, and 2026 will be a pivotal year. We've seen the rise of government-backed national AI champions and the establishment of AI industrial parks in cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen. For example, the Shanghai AI Laboratory is pushing the frontiers of foundational models in AI for science. We can expect to see major breakthroughs in AI applications across various sectors, from autonomous driving, led by companies like Baidu and Pony AI, to AI-powered drug discovery and smart manufacturing. The focus is shifting from simple applications to developing core AI technologies and platforms that can drive innovation across the entire economy. Speaking of autonomous systems, let's talk about transportation. While fully autonomous cars on every street might still be a few years away, China is creating large-scale demonstration zones to accelerate their development. The Zhongnan area, a smart city from scratch being built near Beijing, is a perfect example. By 2026, Zhongnan will feature an advanced intelligent transportation system with designated zones for autonomous buses, robotaxis, and delivery drones. This isn't just a trial, it's a living lab for future urban mobility. Backed by state planning, and with budgets in the hundreds of billions, Zhongnan is designed to be a blueprint for future cities, integrating 5G, the Internet of Things, and AI into its very fabric. Finally, we can't discuss China's future without mentioning its digital economy, particularly while companies like Ant Group and Tencent's WeChat Pay already dominate the mobile payment landscape. The next big step is the nationwide rollout and integration of the digital yuan, or ECN. By 2026, the People's Bank of China will have likely expanded its pilot programs to cover most of the country, with the ICNY becoming a common option for everything from daily shopping to paying public transport fares. This isn't about replacing cash entirely, but creating a more efficient, traceable, and secure digital payment infrastructure. This will have profound implications for financial regulation, cross-border payments, and the internationalization of the yuan. From railways carving through mountains and data flowing across deserts, to lunar bases and intelligent cities, 2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for China. These projects, driven by massive investment and long-term strategic planning, represent a bold vision for the future. They are not just about building bigger and faster, but about creating a more connected, sustainable, and technologically advanced nation. The scale is immense, the ambition is clear, and the world will be watching closely as these blueprints become reality. What do you think is the most impactful project we discussed today? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this deep dive interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the world of tomorrow. See you in the next video.